Hi tormach lathe people. I want to show you how to get more travel, X travel out of your slant pro lathe and get full use of, well, more use of your gang plate, gang plank. Haha. CTRL-ALT-X, MATE-PANEL. Oh, you got to spell it right. All right, so you can, mate panel gives you this little menu down here, and it'll show you the desktop. So then you can go, where is it? Crap. So you can go menu, home, there we go. So then from here you can go TMC, configs, tormach lathe, 5i25, change this from -10 to -12. And that is it. And that is way easier to do. Cool.